everyone, and welcome back to Beverly Stunning Creations. In this DIY, I am going to use this little lantern that I picked up from Dollar Tree about 2 years ago. And I'm sure that they still have them. Lately, I've just been going through everything that I have, and I'm trying to do some DIYs with them rather than just throw them out or donate them. So I just figure you might have these things as well and don't know what to do with them. So I'm going to create a DIY for this vintage lantern. Now when I purchased it, it was only $5. It might be $6 now if they still have it. I don't know. But I did buy it around Christmas time. Now, before we get started, you'll see some little slots here. There are screws in there. We have some tiny screws in here. So you're gonna have 4 of those. So to save time, I went ahead and removed those screws. And you will need a really tiny screwdriver. If you've ever ordered string lights, they come with a tiny screwdriver. You might have one in your screwdriver kit. Now, let's go ahead and let's just get rid of this. So, like I said, I went ahead and removed the screws. But once you do that, it comes apart. These 2 pieces of glass come out. I don't know about the candle. Oh, look. So you can just push the candle out. That's pretty cool. That's perfect for what we need to do. So let's move this aside. There's a little dust on there, so I'm going to clean these up and then spray paint them silver with my silver spray paint. I'll show you what silver spray paint I use when I come back. I'm going to clean these up and spray paint them silver on the inside and on the outside, both pieces. I don't know, we'll figure out what we're going to do with the candle. I might leave it white. So I'm going to do that and then come back. These pieces are glass. So what I want to do is remove these birds. So I'm going to take a razor blade and scrape these off because I want them clear. So you're going to need to turn it over. And this is the inside. And just start scraping the design off. And be careful, don't cut yourself on the edge of that glass. Okay, let's pick this up. Let's get a brush and dust this off so you guys can see. Oh, we have a little bit more right there. You just want to go ahead and remove all of the decoration. And don't put too much pressure on this glass because this is Dollar Tree glass. So you have to be careful. It's not tempered and it can be easily broken, so be careful. So I'll do the other one off camera, give them a really good washing, and then come back. So back to our candle. What I did was put this back inside the bottom of the lantern, and there's like a little scallop edge, and I just traced it. So what I'm gonna do is put glitter on the candle, here on the inside and on the outside. Again, it's a battery operated candle, so it's okay. I have some Wicked Stick It. You guys know I love this stuff for adding glitter, amongst other things, but mainly glitter. I'm gonna put a little bit in this container. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna clean this brush immediately after. I think I've removed all the dust from the candle because it's been sitting for 2 years. And I'm just gonna go around the bottom, try not to get any on the flame, and then just cover the rest on the top. It don't take much. You guys, I have a discount code for the Wicked Stick It if you're interested. So make sure you check out the description. I also have links to everything that I use in the DIY. Now let's just go around the outside. You can see I have paper down so I can catch the glitter when I add glitter to my candle. Okay. So I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and then we'll come back and add the glitter. Okay guys, so I am going to take this white glitter, and this is from the company called Peachy Olive, and I love this glitter. It's so beautiful, especially on cups. So then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure this is overlapped and sprinkle my glitter on. And it's only going to stick to the places wherever I put the Wicked Stick It. I think this will be a pretty Christmas into New Year into winter decor piece. So pretty. Okay, just like that. So now I am going to let that dry. After the Wicked Stick It sets up with the glitter and it's completely dry, I'm going to seal it with this Got To Be hairspray. I don't use it on my hair, this stuff is strong. I use it just for crafts. So we'll do that. So I'm back with both of my pieces, and as you can see, they are completely spray painted on the inside and the outside. Let's move this one here. We're gonna take the top. I have this bowl here to hold this upside down. So the next thing I wanna do is take 4 of these hair beads. These are clear beads. I want to hang chandelier garland from here. I'm going to glue my beads in place in order to hang those from here. So I have my E6000, and I'm just going to put it right outside those little thingies so they don't get in the way. So there's 1 drop of glue, another drop of glue, and I'm going to turn the beads in a way that's going to be easier for me to put the hoops through here. Like that, sideways. Alright guys, so I need to let this sit up before we can move on to the next step. So hang tight. Something about this little piece right here. This is some mirror towel that's attached itself to this covering. After this video, I will remove this and put down a new sheet. So that's why that's there all the time. So it's stuck there. Okay, what I did off camera was went ahead and attached my little chandelier crystals on here. And I just have 3. These are the larger pieces. I just went through whatever I had in my stash, and this is what I found. So what I did was just took my jump ring, opened it up, and just slid it through those loops. And so now we have this. And here's the candle. And remember guys, I sealed the glitter with hairspray. But before I sealed the top, I went ahead and covered the flame with masking tape. So what I'm going to do now is slide this in here. I really don't have to, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there anyway. Now, remember we do have screws for this, but I don't want to add screws just yet, so I'm going to go ahead and just add some E6000 glue to these little pieces. These go inside. Now that I have the glue on there, what I'm going to do is take both of my glass pieces that I took out, and I've already cleaned the inside, so this piece will go like this. And I have another piece here. And now let's put everything back together. So now I'm going to let this bond for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and decorate, guys. So now let's move on to the next step. Here I have some Wicked Stick It, and I'm just going to take some and put it right around the outside. Now I'm going to add some of my diamond bling and some mirror towel, and they both come with adhesive. Because I put spray paint on here, they probably won't stick as well. I'm using the Wicked Stick It to make it stick better. So I'm going to let this sit up for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and we'll start adding our trim. This is what I'm going to use. I already cut 1 strip, so I'm going to go on the outside. And I'm telling you, the Wicked Stick It along with the adhesive on the back makes a really strong hold. And now I'm going to add 1 strip of mirror towel. Turn the towel as you put it down. It'll curve for you, no problem. It will curve. You can take a nail and move it over if you need to. Now, I also put some Wicked Stick It around here and at the bottom. So I went ahead and cut the bling that I'm going to put up there, and I'm going to start on the side. And now I need to add a couple of rolls of mirror towel. Again, let's start on the side. Alright, just like that. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to put 1 more row just inside to give it a more finished look. So I'm going to do that, and then, okay guys, I'm back. Off camera, I went ahead and added 2 rows of the diamond bling here, 1 row here, and about 6 rows here, all the way around. Now I've decorated both sides of my lantern. And I also put some bling at the base as well. So that's what I've done off camera. I also added rhinestones. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did that. And here's my Hoto or Hodo, however you want to pronounce it, cordless hot glue gun. So I'm going to use it. So all you need to do is put a little glue down and then put your rhinestone right on top. And I always tell you guys, use hot glue whenever you use rhinestones because strong adhesive will eat away the back. And then I have a small one here. And just clean up the glue webs. And honestly, I could put more bling around the outside. I'm pretty pleased with how this looks because I love the spray paint so much. Look how pretty the spray paint is on its own. It's really pretty. Let me get the spray paint so you guys can see what it is. Here's the spray paint that I use. Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish. And I want you guys to see the finish again compared to another spray paint. Look at the difference. You see the difference? Now, we are done with this piece. You can keep this on here and hang it if you want to, or you can put it on a display. Initially, I was going to put it on here. This is why I purchased it. I already spray painted the silver. I think it was white again, but I didn't use this spray paint. Now, if I were to use this candle holder, I would bling it up, put some bling on the sides, maybe here, accent it around the base, of course. Just make it look really glam and pretty. And then put this on top, just like this, just for display. I wouldn't glue it down because you still need to change the battery whenever. Instead of using that, I'm going to use something else from Dollar Tree that I DIY'd. And it's this base. You guys remember this DIY? I link it because you might like the way the lantern looks sitting on top of here as well. So what I'm going to do, guys, is take my new lantern, sit it on top of here. Again, I'm not going to glue it down. Put it on display and let you guys see what it looks like. And then you decide if you would use this one, or maybe you'll have a different base at home. So we'll see. Okay, everybody, stay tuned. And now I present to you my brand new shiny Glam Lantern, made from a vintage inspired lantern from Dollar Tree. Now, if you want to make it even more glam, you can add glitter to it, more bling, but I love it just the way it is. And if you like the base that it's sitting on, along with the other pieces around it, I do have a DIY on my channel for those as well. And I'll link those below, along with the things that I used in this DIY. Also, comment your thoughts about this DIY below. Okay, everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. If you don't have time to comment, then please leave me a heart or your favorite emoji. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.